Massage butter is an amazing way to help tackle cellulite, reduce swelling and keep your skin feeling smooth. In this video I will show you how to make a 100% natural DIY anti-cellulite massage butter enriched with coffee and essential oils. Watch this video, grab the recipe and enjoy the soothing, skin-loving benefits of a natural homemade blend. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Olga Larnudi and I'm a natural cosmetics formulator. Here on my channel I share my ideas and my recipes, and you're gonna find a lot of video tutorials, so if you are interested in natural skincare, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's go through our supply list. We are going to need the following: precise weight scale, some recipient to melt the shea butter in a water bath. I use a chocolate melter, protection gloves, and our ingredients. We are going to use shea butter as a base of our product. It has great moisturizing properties, and also shea butter contains substances that can reduce skin swelling. We are going to add some sweet almond oil. It has a slow absorption rate, which is great for massage, and we are going to use a fractionated coconut oil. I will infuse this oil with ground coffee. You can also take jojoba oil, for example. When choosing oil for maceration with coffee, you should opt for very stable oils. Fractionated oil and jojoba oil are great examples. Don't take olive oil or sunflower oil. They're not very stable and they can go rancid during the maceration process. And our active ingredients, I'm gonna add some menthol. It cools the skin and it actually works great in anti-cellulite products. And we're gonna use two potent essential oils. Grapefruit essential oil. There are a lot of studies that show that grapefruit essential oil contains bromelain and D-limonene, which help break down cellulite and prevent the formation of new fat cells, which is great. And when we combine it with cedar essential oil, it's our second essential oil, it actually helps to increase collagen synthesis and skin elasticity. And now last active ingredient, rosemary extract. It plays a double role in the formulation. It works as a potent antioxidant and it protects our butter from going rancid, and it also helps to reduce inflammation and promotes skin metabolism. So it works as an active ingredient in our product. And step 1 of our preparation, we will make a coffee-infused oil. Mix approximately 30 grams of freshly ground coffee with 100 grams of fractionated coconut oil, and now put this mixture in a warm water bath and let it sit for, say, 5-6 hours. The temperature of the water should be around 65 degrees Celsius. Don't let it boil and check the water level from time to time because it's gonna evaporate slowly, so you're gonna have to add water from time to time. Stir your oil every 30 minutes and then just strain it through a cheesecloth or a coffee filter. And now let's make our butter. Those are my oils and menthol. I will put them in a warm water bath to melt shea butter, and while it melts, I will prepare the rest of my ingredients. All my ingredients are melted. I will cool down the mix a little bit. The temperature should drop below 40 degrees Celsius. Now check the temperature, it should not be hot. Okay, we're good to go, and now we can add our heat-sensitive ingredients, our essential oils and rosemary extract. My mix is ready. Now I will put it into the freezer for 10-15 minutes and then take it out and whip. Voila, c'est prêt! Our beautiful 100% natural and potent anti-cellulite massage butter is ready. If your room temperature is around 22-23 degrees Celsius, which is my case, you will get the same texture as I have. If it's cooler at your place, the butter might be a little bit more solid, which is also okay. But if you live in a hotter climate, then you might get an undesirable liquid consistency. If this is your case, you should adjust my recipe a bit. Just check the text box below this video for my recommendation. And for a treatment, just grab a bit of butter, spread it all over the skin and work the area with a toning massage. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you still have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comments below, and see you next time.